Please keep your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off, and we do suggest to keep it fastened whenever you are sat in your seat. Do be careful if you open overhead lockers, as items may have moved on the takeoff, and you'll find your toilets located at each end of the aircraft. They're all fitted with smoke detectors, and as per usual, smoking is not allowed at any time, and this does include e-seats. Very shortly when the cabin crew release from our seats, we'll pass through with your in-flight service and we'll come through with our cafe. We do have hot drinks, which include high street brand Costa coffee, soft drinks, beers, wine, cider, as well as a large collection of premium spirits and cocktails. We do also have a very small amount of half bottles of champagne for anybody on board that is celebrating. To accompany your drink of choice, we've got Pringles and crisps, Maltesers, Fingers, Haribos, Kit Kats, Twirls and shortbreads. And we do have hot cheese and ham toasties, margarita pizzas and an all-day breakfast wrap. We have cold sandwiches and tuna and cucumber soft baguette or a southern fried chicken wrap. Do have a quick look in the in-flight brochure for all of our money-saving meal deals and all the special offers that we do carry on the drinks. EasyJet is a cashless airline now, so your payment is made by credit and debit card only. Apple and Google Pay are also accepted up to £45. Due to the short duration of our flight, ladies and gentlemen, we'll only be able to pass through the cabin with one bar service. So please do purchase all drinks and snacks that you require for the entire flight while the cabin crew are out in the cabin with the carts. Unfortunately, we'll not be able to sell any drinks once the carts have been placed away, so please do purchase all drinks and snacks that you require for the entire flight at this time, and any also bottles of water for your onward coach journeys. We'll then continue your service for the sale of our retail goods and our duty free. Later on the flight we'll give you some more information on what we do carry on board. Please now sit back, relax and enjoy your service over to Alicante.